name is Richard, and I'm here in a creative world for episode 5 of Space Engineers. We are going to take out the Combat Escort Destroyer Mark II on a combat test.
Meteor storm inbound.
Now, I did make everything kind of overpowered against me, so right now I want to test out how good of a weapon spread I have. Seems to be doing pretty decently. Alright, let's turn it a bit more towards the asteroids. See what happens.
Meteor storm inbound.
Seems to be doing really good, actually. However, I would... Oh, we took a hit. Yeah, we're taking hits now. Ha ha ha. Yeah, we definitely need to work on a weapon spread, just a bit. So we're gonna need some along the top of the hull here, and the bottom as well. Okay. That's kind of loud. Okay. So, for some reason, that little blank spot is back. Okay, so I'm thinking one here. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's see what our options are. One there, okay. So we're gonna have to move the sonar, or not sonar, radar. What's that? Okay, now let's add back in the antenna. See, we also wanted one on the bottom. Maybe two on the bottom, even. What are our options? A lot of options, okay. One right here is fine. Okay. Let's save that to our group. Okay. Auto movement on, meteors on, moving objects off, missiles on, everything else off. And let's save that. Yeah, Mark II, replace with clipboard. Yes. Okay. Save changes, yes. Let's go back to combat testing world. Mark II. Okay, let's claim ownership.
Meteor storm inbound.
Now, where are the meteors coming from? Right there. Okay, so we're still taking hits. But we can easily fix that. The way we're going to fix that is by condensing the firing field. Up down by half.
Meteor storm inbound.
Looks like we lost a Gatling turret. Oh, took a big hit there and there.
Meteor storm inbound.
Yeah, we're still taking hits, but not as much, if you'll notice. Oh, and our interior turrets are getting in there too. Okay. So let's try condensing our firing field a bit more. Okay, here we go. Now should have all weapons on there. Okay, let's go to the pilot seat. Bring all weapons online. Alright. From battery recharge off. So combat mode, we're gonna have our reactor on, and our batteries off recharge. So we have taken some damage. You can see a massive spot over there on the left nacelle. See, we lost the top left thruster right there. So we took 2 hits right on the left nacelle. I'm gonna turn our inertial dampeners off.
Meteor storm inbound.
Bring our forward weapons to bear. Out of range. Our pistons seem to be hanging on fairly decently. Oh no! Don't want that to happen. I always forget that if you take your finger off the controls with inertial dampers on, it'll stop.
Meteor storm inbound.
Meteors! Now remember, I'm on Armageddon right now, so that means the meteors are moving ridiculously fast. Like a bunch of missiles. I just wanted to use it to test my field of fire, so even though it doesn't look as good right now, it'll be better once I'm actually in combat.
Meteor storm inbound.
Okay, we don't want to...
Meteor storm inbound.
There goes our interior turrets. And we got knocked out. So, we're going to definitely need a... let's see if we can't salvage this. So we're gonna need some decoys. Another hit to the left of cell. You're gonna need to limit those interior turrets.
Meteor storm inbound.
And he stopped firing. So we won that. Okay, so what we need decoys. We also need to limit our weapon range. Decoys, weapon range, and interior defenses. Okay. So it's not safe. World, destroy design. Okay, so Gatling weapon range. Want to be at about 150. And our missile launchers about 200 or maybe even 400. Excuse me. Now, for decoys. Decoys can be a bit tricky to place. So we don't want it to aim for center of mass like they usually do. We also don't want them to immediately aim for our weapons. So what I'm thinking... let's see. No. Maybe we put the decoys up here? Now, this will mean that they will be targeting our nacelles first. So that could mean that we lose our thrusters. Whoops. Reload that. So as I was saying, it could mean that we lose our forward and reverse thrusters first. But, you know, we gotta pick something that we want to lose, and we don't want it aiming for center of mass, because that's right where our cockpit is. So if we can limit the amount of damage to the interior hull, this section here, that will make me happy. will also mean that we will have to deal with less air breaches. Okay, decoys. Now, so decoys and interior defense. That's what I need to work on right now. Okay. Can't place it there. Can't place it there. Well, yeah, we can actually. So we'll have these right here. And here, have it like this. In here, we will have it on the roof. Okay, now let's go this interior turret. Interior defense. Now, top block on off. Terminal, shoot once. Movement preferably off, meteors off, moving objects, missiles, small ships. Yeah, all those are off. And we want to limit it to about 15 blocks. Let's also set these to hide from terminal. Okay, what else do we have? Antenna. Rename that. Show ship name. Convoy escort destroyer. Decoys. We'll hide those on HUD. Right now we want this off and we want them to not be shown. Gyroscopes. Don't really need those on HUD. Connectors and pistons, we're going to want those on HUD. Gatling turrets, yes. Interior lighting, don't need those. Thrusters, don't need those on HUD. Rocket launchers, I believe that we don't really need those. HUD. Small thrusters, we definitely don't need on HUD. Or the timers either. Okay, so piston, oxygen tanks, we don't really need. Medical bay, don't need that on HUD. Large reactor, yeah, we do want that. Large cargo containers, want to rename those. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Galley turrets, hide those. Air vents, don't really need those. Convoy escort destroyer, antenna, large containers. No reason to have those in the terminal. Large reactor, laser antenna, connector. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to want another button panel. this will be our docking control. Over this, we're going to put in place of that. Okay. Set up actions. I want this to retract the pistons. Okay. Okay, so right first, or left first. Alright. Reverse. Then I want connector. Left. On and off. And the next one will be... Is that starboard? Port. Alright. Toggle on and off, and then piston. Starboard. Reverse. Okay, so this button will extend the starboard piston. This button here will turn on and off that piston, or that connector. This will turn off the port connector. And this will extend the left piston. Okay. So yeah, there we go. Got our exterior hull lighting. Got our passive sensors, decoys. It's all good, I think. Okay, so is there anything at all that we can think of? Maybe a group for interior oxygen supply? Or no, I don't really have to group it. Okay, 4. Okay, bridge. I want pressurize on and off. So first bridge. Engineering and medical. Anything else? Exterior hull lighting. Interior and exterior. Interior defense on and off. Anything else? Yeah, actually. Large thruster control. Because we'll still have small thrusters in every direction. So we'll still be able to maneuver, but we'll be able to shut off our large thrusters to save fuel. Right, so yeah, see? 3 days versus... It's taking up all our power. Oh, probably our lighting. and probably our antenna. Okay, beacon, toggle on and off. Antenna, toggle on and off. Laser antennas. Something's still taking up a lot of power. Maybe the sensors? Laser antennas, toggle on and off. And what else did I say? Airlock sensors, toggle on and off. Okay, so 8, 7, 6. Okay, hang on. Wait, what? Detect floating. Okay, first off, I need to airlock. Pressurize on and off. I want large thrusters on and off. I want internal and exterior lighting. What else? What else? What else? Station keeping. Laser antenna on and off, and antenna on and off. Oh, 4 days, not hours. Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that. Alright, so I'm gonna depressurize everything. Set everything. Interior lighting. $15, $16, $17. Okay, 16. I believe, yeah, so interior lighting, I need to add 16. Okay. Okay, so let's see how much power these lights take. See, laser antenna. For some reason I can't turn. What are these doing? Exterior lighting, interior lighting, toggle block on and off. Weird. That has an update. Okay. Well, guys, let's save this. I guess I should probably turn back on the sensors. Control B. Mark 2 medium. Place with clipboard. Yes. Okay. So changes, yes. Load world. Ship showcase and design. Now next, I'm thinking I'm gonna retrofit my dreadnought for oxygen. Or I might just make something to replace it. I'm not quite sure as of yet. Ooh, it's kind of laggy here. Okay. Let's claim it. Let's go inside. Oxygen is disabled on this world. We're gonna have to switch that up. Okay, let's turn off all of the weapon systems. Okay, Gatling control off. Missile control off. Let's see what else. Interior defense off. And let's share the ship, so friends can use it. Okay, I also want to enable the beacon. Is the reactor on? Yes, it is. Okay. Everything should be fine now. Well, guys, thank you for watching. This is Dragon's Pride, signing out.